What is up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG. We are now using the OnePlus 15 phone. It is absolutely amazing. We're using the front-facing camera. The quality is great. It's 1080p 60 frames per second in the front-facing camera. But the interesting thing is that I could use 4K 60 frames per second for the front camera if I wanted to. It doesn't really make sense. I don't really need that much quality in the front. Like, we're not filming anything crazy, but it is doable. Anyways, besides that point, got a couple updates for you guys. So, first of all, gas prices are crazy expensive. Everybody knows it. It is what it is. But we got this and another one back there. There. So we got 50-liter tanks in total. 225s. Oh, a little bit of ice here. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we're good. So, gas is expensive, but that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna keep driving fast. Love that sound. Absolutely amazing. Oh, the downshifts. Super, super good. So yeah, I hope the audio is good on this camera. I guess you guys are about to find out if this Audi can get out of the way. Oh man, come on, drive. Let's go. It's the other gender, the one that doesn't know how to drive. Just kidding. That sound is legendary. So, gas is expensive, whatever, it is what it is, it's okay. We're gonna fill up full tanks of gas because, well, to be honest with you guys, I think the gas is gonna go even higher. Like right now it's at about like 150, 160, 170 for regular gas per liter, Canadian. But I suspect that it's gonna go much higher because if you really look at trends and how the market works, it's definitely going to go higher. So we want to have a little bit of extra fuel just in case it goes parabolic and crazy. Again, unlikely, but better to be ready than to not be ready. So another update for you guys is we recently did the spark plugs on the car, and as we were taking out those air hoses, one of them was cracked underneath, and you know, it's technically fine, it's okay. It's not like the car loses like horsepower or efficiency or anything like that. It's just kind of like the air is supposed to go this way, but right now the air kind of goes this way and a little bit that way. So like at the bottom of it, it's got a big like crack like that, and that's technically not good. I ordered like 2 brand new ones so to replace them, because for Mercedes-Benz they're pretty expensive, like $180 each plus tax. I was like, that's a lot. So we got them from our friends AliExpress for a grand total of $60 Canadian for the both of them. So we're gonna get them pretty soon. I think they're gonna arrive April 1st or whatever. So that's always great. Then we'll do a quick video, just pop them on, install them, we're good. And another thing that we got is those camera glasses. So instead of me having kind of like regular old glasses like this for the sun, we are gonna have glasses with a camera on them. So there's gonna be like a camera right over here, and I think like light over there or something like that. Anyways, they're coming. They're coming. They also film like 4K and all that stuff, so we'll get tons of POV footage, so I don't need to grab my phone and hold it kind of like this, you know, like a UPS truck. So I don't need to hold it in front of my face. It's just kind of, it just doesn't make sense. It's like I need both my hands. And having a gigantic camera like this on top of my head with a strap or whatever, it honestly just kills your head, and just, that's not what, I'm not down for that. No thanks. Wow, the camera quality is like really good. I'm surprised. Like, wow. Because before I was filming in 1080p 30 frames per second for the front, and it was like really kind of like, you know, like glitchy. But now look, it's way smoother with 60 frames per second. I really like that. So yeah, like no cameras in the front and no cameras up here. The only camera should be is right here, or like up here, or like up there, like filming POV footage, and right here. Nothing on my chest. I want my body and my head and everything to be kind of free and not kind of, whatever you want to call it, strapped down, because that's really annoying. So those are gonna come probably April 1st, around there, I would say. That's definitely not an April Fool's joke, not an early one. And the last thing that we ordered is this thing right over here. It is this screen. So originally I was gonna do Android Auto and like Apple CarPlay. It was just gonna replace this like screen or whatever and put the CarPlay module inside there. So basically this like screen or whatever, it would become the Apple CarPlay Android Auto. But I decided that it was kind of annoying because if you really think about it, I'm sitting in the car, and if I were to ever want to do the touchscreen one where I have to like press it in there, I'm sitting like this, and if I want to reach in there and press it, like even right now sitting at like at the furthest point backwards, I can't really reach it. Like I have to really get in there and like press it. So that's going to be a little bit annoying. I don't want that. So what I ended up doing was getting a bigger screen kind of right over here so that it's just better in general. Like I can just go boop, boop, boop like that because it's going to be out here. So once that arrives, also going to be April 1st, we will rip this whole thing apart, take this out, take that out, and we will put a gigantic screen over here. A lot of people are going to think it's going to be really funky, but honestly, I think that's a good idea because it's going to kind of give the car like a modern look. Because this car never came with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Like right now, if I want to go to navigation, it's kind of like this ugly, stupid navigation. If I want to play music, it's just that. But I want to be able to see Spotify here, Google Maps here, all together on a nice big modern screen that kind of like integrates into the car. That isn't really like cheap or anything like that, and just gives it that like OEM plus look. So that's kind of what we're going for. Yeah, that's going to be super exciting. That's also going to arrive around April 1st, and then we will do a unboxing video for you guys. So we will do an installation video for you guys, and we will do a full review. So that's going to be technically one video like for the unboxing, one video for the installation, one video for the review, and then we're going to kind of put them all together so that there's technically 4 videos. So it's like if somebody wants to watch all of them at once, you can watch one full video. If you want to watch one by one because you don't care about the review, you just want to see the unboxing video because you're a freak, I don't know, you like unboxing videos, you can get the unboxing video. If you like the installation because you're like, I don't care about the unboxing, I can do an unboxing myself, get you the installation video. If you want the review because you've already installed it, blah blah, and you're like, how do I use this? I'm not technically inclined, I'm retarded. There'll be a review video and basically a how-to video. It's pretty straightforward. And yeah, and then the camera glasses, I'll kind of show you guys POV, you know, video, audio quality and stuff. That's gonna be pretty fun. And yeah, that's a quick little update. It is minus 5 degrees outside today. It's freezing cold, but it is very nice outside today because it is sunny like hell. And I absolutely love it because for the past like 2-3 months, it has been dark and gloomy and annoying. And every time you wake up, it's dark. Even though there's sun somewhere, it's covered by just clouds. So this is very nice to be able to just see some sun. It's perfect. So that's kind of why I'm filming today. I didn't film very much in the last couple of days, weeks, even months, because we need some sun. I cannot function without sun. It's not how it works. It's not how I work, and probably not how you guys work. You know, who would want to film some stupid, ugly, disgusting content or whatever while it's dark and gloomy outside? Anyways, if you've made it this far into the video, I really appreciate you. You're awesome. I really hope that you like the video, you subscribe, and you watch all the way until the end because I really need those watch hours. I got like almost 1,800 and I need 2,200 more so we can get monetized, so I can start making money from this, and so that I can reinvest all of that for you guys so you can get to see more cool stuff. Maybe some car rebuilds, maybe we'll rebuild a Porsche, or maybe a Lamborghini, or a Ferrari, or a McLaren, or a Mercedes-Benz, who knows, or maybe we'll mod this car. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. You're gonna get one last little rip. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Please, watch some videos. I need those watch hours. I love you guys. Peace. See you in the next one.